Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the box and bag for the Petit Vour and Color Curate for the month of January. If you have not heard of them before, they are my clean beauty subscriptions. And if you wait till the end of the video, I give a full review on all the products after a 5-day try of them. So we will go ahead and get into the box. The first thing out of the Petit Vour box is the card with the description and the price of the samples in the box. I will have listed on the little names in the corners the full price of the products for you so that you know and can compare the two. The first thing out of the box is Athia Beauty Eyeshadow Single. Enhance your natural beauty with the power of crystals. Pigments of topaz, amethyst, and other crystals illuminate the eye, while coconut oil and shea butter create a smooth, buttery texture for one swipe application. So this is super buttery, super creamy. That is, I don't know, it's a little muddied looking for me, but I'm gonna play with it, see how it goes. Could be wonderful. We'll see. Next we have Andalou Naturals Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk. Vegan probiotics gently remove makeup and impurities, rinsing away dull surface cells and balancing skin. Apricot and borage oils rejuvenate hydrated skin for a fresh, glowy complexion. Okay, I'm going to open this up so we can see how it smells. Smells like apricot. I know, big shocker. And it is milky, so yeah, we'll give this a try. Next we have Fit Glow Beauty Good Lash Mascara, a multitasking mascara that amplifies lash length and volume. Plant, protein, and botanical extracts nourish lashes and promote growth, helping lashes grow thicker, denser, and fuller. So clearly I love all of that. I like this packaging. I think it's super cute. And I do have to say I'm super excited about this brush as well. I think it's going to be easy to get into the inner corners of the lashes. So yeah. Last item in this box is the MOA, the Green Fairy Hand and Lip Balm. Save dry hands and lips with this Salvation Balm. This non-greasy formula includes castor oil, shea and coconut butter, and candle wax to moisturize and nourish, leaving it silky smooth and a hint of peppermint. So I do like all of that. I like the little absinthe thing they got going on, the little theme. If you don't know what absinthe is, it's a liquor that's supposed to make you see fairies. But clearly this is not, but I do like the theme. I think that's really, really cute. Alright, first thing out of this bag, as usual, is the card with this theme. This month they've got a bunch of sloth on it. Don't know why, that's an interesting theme. Anyways, we'll go ahead and get into it. First item here is Trifle Cosmetics Lip Syrup and Lolly. And this is a very red color. I'm not sure what this exactly is. Pigment. Oh, it says it's a pigmented lip stain. So that will be with me throughout the day now on my hand. Next we have Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetic Light. And that is, wow. I actually really like that. I think that's kind of pretty. Kind of, it is pretty. Who am I kidding? That is super pretty. That is so much fun. Next we have So Susan Afterglow. I'm not really sure how to use that. I think it's supposed to be a highlighter. Looks like a highlighter, so that's probably how I'm going to use it. But yeah, okay, it's interesting. I'll put it that way. Last item in the bag is So Susan's Subtropical Palette in Utopia. So these colors seem a little pastel than what I'm used to, but I think they're really pretty, and they went on, the swatches went on really nice anyway. That is the palette. And it did have this inside showing you what the colors are. But that is it for what's in the bags. I am going to go give everything a try for 5 days and come back and let you know my thoughts on these products. Alright, so it has been 5 days and I've tried out everything in the boxes. So let's go ahead and go over the Petit Vour. Okay, the first thing was this eyeshadow, and it's actually really pretty on, but the color is kind of like a muddy color, which I was not too excited about, but I actually really do enjoy this. It wears really well, so I do like this. So this one was a yes for me. And then there was this hand and lip balm. Now, I didn't use it a lot because I didn't really need it, but I do like it. I think it's really, really nice. You see? You can kind of see I did use it. I mean, what do you expect for 5 days, right? But yeah, I did use it. I did like it, and I still can't get over the little fairy on the cover of it. I just think that's the cutest thing. Okay, so anyways, the next item was the cleansing milk, and I did use that every day. And to my surprise, I have not gone through very much of it. It is very much so a cream, like a cleansing cream, and it feels really good and very moisturizing, so that's all I can say about it. It didn't irritate my skin at all. And the last thing in this was the mascara, and this wand here is like my dream one because of the way it tapers, and I really enjoy this. The mascara is good, everything about it I love. So for this one, it is a 4 out of 4. So moving on to the color Curate. So this was just a shade off for a highlight for me. So what I ended up doing with this is mixing it with my foundation and wearing it that way. And as you can see, it gives my face a nice glow to it. So I do like it, even though the color is a little off for me. And then there is the lip syrup. Now this is really a stain, a lip stain. And the first couple times I used it, you could build this up, you could wear it like a lip, but it's very much so a candy apple red, which I don't like wearing candy apple red like that. So what I realized, because of it being a lip stain, I could dab a little bit and smear it and just stain my lips like I did today. So I like the fact that this could be worn in different ways, and it's just a really good product. So this was a yes. Then there was the Jelly Pong Pong Beam pigment thing here. I used this to accent my highlighter because I liked the glitter. Sorry about the light. The sun keeps going in and out and there's clouds. So anyways, but if you can see it, there is some glitter here, and I really do like this. It's really pretty. And it could also be like swiped over your eyeshadow too, like if you're wearing a matte shadow and you just want it to glisten a little bit, you can do that too. So the last thing in it was this palette right here. And let me show you this. Those are the colors. Now these are sheer shimmers, and I do have it on, but I really like the colors in this. I think the colors are great. They're very wearable. You can create many looks with them. The issue I have is basically sheer shimmers don't ever wear well on my eyelids. I have no idea why. It doesn't matter the brand, the company, the formula, whatever. They tend to usually crease up for me half day, no matter how I use eye primers. I use a base shadow. I do everything I can possibly think of to get the shimmers to stay, but they just don't. And that's not fault of this product. It is just my eyes for some reason. And I keep trying palettes out that are like that because I keep hoping that one of them is going to be the magical palette where it doesn't crease up. But I haven't found that one yet. So even though this did not work for me, I would still say this is a great product, a great palette. So for the color Curate, we have another 4 out of 4. So that would be it. That's another strong month. If you had a favorite product this month, let me know what it was down below. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.